Humans reproduce by sexual method. In this method, male reproductive cells fuse with female reproductive cells. But when do these males and females start? At what age do boys and girls enter this puberty? There is no specific age, but they enter into puberty in adolescence. Adolescence is the stage between childhood and adulthood. How do we know that puberty has started in someone? We can notice the onset of puberty in boys and girls with some noticeable changes happening in their bodies. Some changes are common in both boys and girls, like thick hair growing in new parts of the body, such as armpits and the genital area between the thighs, which can also become darker in color. Thinner hair can also appear on legs and hands. The skin frequently becomes oily and they might begin to develop pimples. There are certain changes observed only in boys, like growth of hair on the face. 2. Voices begin to crack. And the third one, the penis occasionally begins to become enlarged and erect. There are certain changes observed only in girls, like 1. Breast size begins to increase with darkening of the skin of the nipples at the tip of the breasts. 2. They begin to menstruate. All of these changes take place slowly over a long period of time. They do not happen at an exact age in all. It depends upon their hormone levels and genetics of the individuals. As people are different in general body features like height, weight, skin color, etc., people also will have differences in secondary sexual characteristics like body hair growth, growth of beard and mustache, penis size, breast size, etc. So, we have seen the changes that happens during puberty. But how these changes are linked to the reproductive process? Changes in puberty helps in the process of reproduction and childbirth. For example, body and facial hair are the signals that show the sexual maturity of the individual. The erection of penis helps in the deposition of germ cells in the female reproductive system. The menstrual cycle is the indication of ovulation and the condition of uterus. The enlargement of breast is for breastfeeding of the baby. So, in this video, we have seen